What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Greg, and today we're going to be cooking some chicken wings on the pellet grill. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our bag of wings that we have right here. I'm going to go ahead and open them. And then we're going to get our chicken wings. We're going to put them on there. And we're going to dry them off as best as we can. So I'm just going to throw all of them down. And we're going to dry them off. I'm just going to pat them dry on both sides, and I'm going to throw them into the bowl. So I'll see y'all when I get that done. Alright, so now I got them all in here. I'm going to grab some AP seasoning. It's basically salt, pepper, garlic. So I'm going to open this. I'm just going to pour it on in there. We're going to give that a good mix. Try to only use one hand. That pepper's messing with my nose. Alright, so we got it all mixed up. Now we got Killer Hog's The Barbecue Rub. And then pour that in there. Not a lefty. It's kind of hard. Yep, just like that. Give it a good mix. You don't need to over season them because we're going to sauce these up after they get done cooking. Just like that. So you want them to look like that, nice and brown. All of them are evenly done. Now we're going to go set these on the grill. I'm going to go wash up and we'll go set it on the grill. Alright, so we're going to be cooking on the Rectech. Got this. It's turned off, so keep it off. We're just going to go ahead and lay this on while it's turned off. So I'm going to put all of these on the grill. And then we'll start the grill. But yeah, we're doing the... So we're going to cook it up. Start at 0 to 0, obviously, because it's off. And then we're going to cook it up to 400, turn the pellet grill up to 400 degrees. And then once it hits 400 degrees, these chicken wings should be ready to come off. We're going to see how that does. It's a good way to cook them. I've heard of this. I've seen it before. I don't know how it is, but we're going to give it a try. Alright. Those are all the wings. So now, I'm going to come over here, turn this on. I'm going to set it to 400 degrees. So now it's started. Go ahead and shut this. We're going to wait for it to get up to 400 degrees. Check the temperature of the wings. It should be done, and then we'll be ready to sauce them up and eat. Alright, so they're done cooking. They reached 400 degrees. I got 3 bowls because we're going to do 3 different flavors. They look great. They look really good. So the best way, what I'm going to do, there's 38 wings. So I'm going to put 12 in each. And one will have 13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12. 12. Then the rest are going to go in the big bowl. And then we're going to toss our sauce in it. And then what I like to do is I'll put them back on the grill for probably 5 minutes so they kind of tack up. I don't like, some people, if you like your sauce runny, like real like wet, just, you don't have to put them back on. I'm not putting them back on for temperature wise. I'm putting them back on for the sauce to tack up. So that's what I like to do. So what I'll do now, it's the first batch. It's Traeger Q, made by Traeger. It's just a regular barbecue sauce. It's really good. I like it. Just drizzle some on there. Oh, these smell amazing. I'm just gonna toss them around. So that one's done. The next one we got, it's made by Kinder's. It's a sweet and spicy Korean. It's really good. Drizzle some of that on. Toss that around. Oop. One of them tried to escape. Alright. Then the last one we're going to use is a black cherry chipotle barbecue made by Kinder's as well. So go ahead and pour some of that on there. And then I'm going to go and mix her on up. I don't go heavy on my barbecue sauce, just light. Coat it a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my tongs. And I'm going to throw them back on. Now I got to remember, so this is the black barbecue. I meant, yeah, black cherry barbecue. And then it's to be special, so we got that. So that one's going to be on the right side. Then I got my sweet and spicy Korean. Leave a little gap. It's going to be my middle. And then we got the Traeger Q for the rest. This is my favorite. My absolute favorite barbecue sauce. So good. Throw these on the left side. Good night, they smell good. And if y'all don't mind, hit that like button. You know, watch it. If you're gonna watch it all the way if you don't mind. It helps me. And it's free to hit that subscribe button. Free to hit that like button. Don't cost you anything at all, and it helps me out a ton to continue to make videos like this. Alright, so I got them all on, and I'm going to close this, and we're going to let it sit. We're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then let that sauce tack up, take them off, and they'll be ready to eat. Alright, so, been 5 minutes. They look so good. Nice and tacked up. Go ahead and get the same bowls we put them in before. Throw them in there. Those are done. Now time for our Korean barbecue. Those are done. Now our Traeger Q. These are my favorite. I love wings too. So good. Got those. Alright. Turn the grill off, let it cool down. We're going to let these wings cool down for a little bit, and then it's time to test them. Alright, got all three of my wings. We got the black cherry, we got the Korean barbecue, and we have the Traeger Q. A little bit of ranch. So we're going to try that black cherry. That's so good. Sweet, you get a hint of that cherry. That's really good. That fell right off the bone, dadgummit. Alright. We're going to try the Korean. That one's good. Korean's good. It's got a little spice to it. A little spicy. Black cherry's better. My favorite, Traeger Q. Oh, reliable. So good. That's so good. It's just like a classic barbecue, sweet barbecue sauce. Get out of there. Anyway, that's my way I cook barbecue. That might be my favorite way to cook barbecue, better than charcoal. I mean, all you do, put it on 0 to 400, put some sauce on. That's it. Super good. I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all are still watching, y'all made it all the way through. I appreciate y'all. If you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see me cook next, and I'll see y'all next time.